Hi, this is Rob. I'm going to show you how to update the operating system of the TI-84 Plus CE graphing calculator. I'm currently using version 5.2 on my TI-84 Plus CE. I want to update the operating system to version 5.3. First, you need the latest version of TI Connect CE software on your computer. This software will connect with the calculator to install the new operating system. To download the TI Connect CE software, go to education.ti.com. Then go to Downloads here. This drop-down box appears. Then go to Apps, Software, and Updates here. Click on it. This page appears. You want to go here to Technology. Then choose your calculator, the TI-84 Plus CE. Then go here to View. Then go down and choose Connectivity Software. Now click here on Find. Then go here to Connect CE. It takes us to this page. Then choose Mac or Windows for your computer. Download and install the TI Connect CE software to your computer. After you install the TI Connect CE software to your computer, we need to download the new operating software for the TI-84 Plus CE graphing calculator. So go to the top of this page, go to Downloads, go to Apps, Software, and Updates, then click here, Technology, to select your calculator, the TI-84 Plus CE. Then down here under View, select Handheld Operating System. Click on Find. This window pops up. Choose TI-84 Plus CE OS and Apps Bundle. We want all the apps and any new apps for the calculator. Clicking on that takes us to this page. Click here to download the new operating system to your computer. Open the folder where the new operating system was downloaded. Here's that operating system. I'm going to move it to my TI-84 Plus CE folder so I know exactly where it is located. It is now located here. Next step is that we need to open the TI CE Connect software that we downloaded earlier and installed. This is what it looks like when we open the software. Now you need to connect your TI-84 Plus CE calculator to your computer using the USB cable that came with the calculator. When your calculator is connected to the computer, the Connect software will find it and display it here. The next step is to install the new operating system with the bundled apps to the calculator. We do that by going to the main menu up here to Actions. This drop-down box appears, and go to the bottom to Send OS Bundle to Calculator. After you click on that, we need to choose that new operating system file that we downloaded earlier. Here it is. Click on it. This window pops up. If you want to see all the apps that come with this operating system update, click here, Show Bundle Contents. Here are all the different apps. To start updating the operating system, click here on Send. It takes about 5 minutes to update the calculator's operating system. This is what it will look like on the calculator when the operating system is updating. After the operating system is finished updating, disconnect the calculator from the computer. Turn on the calculator, and this is the screen you will see on the calculator. Okay, that is it. That is how to update the operating system of the TI-84 Plus CE graphing calculator. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel.